everybody, it's Kelly and I have another layout for you. I'm going to put these two photos on that black and white checked paper, and it's a scrap, but I think it's from Hobby Lobby. I think that's where I actually bought that. It's the really thin paper, and I did a scrapbook for a friend and used a lot of black and white and red, and I'm pretty sure this is one of the photos I bought at, or one of the papers I bought at Hobby Lobby. All right, so I have those two papers, and it's such a busy paper, but I'm going to obviously make a mat of it there. And these are photos of my grandson and his grandpa working together. And then I'm going to take this red diagonal stripe paper, which is the Carta Bella, it's a celebration numbers paper. And I'll put that, a strip of it that's a little bit over 4 or a little bit under 4 inches. I think it's about 3.5 inches. I'm going to put that on top of that nuts and bolts paper, which is Photoplay Best Dad Ever, and it's a license plate paper. I'm looking for the date there. And then I really wanted to use up this this punched card, like this punched circle card. It's a 4x6 card from Dear Lizzie, the die cut cards from Polka Dot Party. And I still have a bunch of those left, and they're from 2012. They need to get used up. So I'm going to just add this in. I didn't unpunch all the circles, just where I thought you might see them. And then I have that 3x4 card that says anything is possible. That's from Ellie's Studio. And now I am just going through my Vicky Booten hashtag sticker book just to see what I might find here. And I find this red tag, and I kind of like that. This is a very, very masculine layout. So I'm thinking I'm going to use that on here, as well as that label there, that arrow label. That's also from there. So these are photos of my my M number 2, for those of you who hear me call my grandchildren that, because they all have M names. So it's a picture of him and his grandpa, and they're working on fixing something on the microwave. And they really were actually working on fixing something on the microwave. So I filled in everything but just that little bit on the left side. So I decided I wanted to add something in there. And I chose this polka dot bag, which I'm actually gonna, not to spoil it all, but I'm going to take that out. So now I have that Like a Boss sticker from Vicky Booten, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that on a little bit of white cardstock because it's a clear sticker, and I decided I didn't like all the white. There was too much white in that bag, so instead I grabbed another Ellie Studio card that I had on hand right there, and just added a little tiny piece of that to the bottom of the layout, or to the left side of the layout there. And then I kind of played around with that the tag and the arrow, ampersand arrow there, just to make sure that it met up with that punch circle card. So now I'm playing around with this Like a Boss sticker that I've now made into a die cut, basically. Like, you know, they're fixing it like a boss. And then I went to this this old Heidi Swapp puffy sticker sheet. And that's the black hello puffy sticker that I grabbed there. All right, so just kind of playing around to get this right. And then there's 2 circles there, and those are from the Teresa Collins Signature Essentials label stickers. They're circular labels. So I grabbed those, as well as that black and white arrow there. And I'm adding the Like a Boss there. Just kind of playing around a little bit with this. All right, so I decided I actually didn't want that much dark black sitting on the bottom cluster there. There's so much dark black in the paper. So instead I put the Hello Puffy up there, and then added the Like a Boss to the top of the 3x4 Anything's Possible card. Now I want to add a little red in here because I want to vary the colors a little bit. So I'm adding some pieces, the hearts and the geotag. And sorry guys, I'm looking for it because I don't. They're from the Oh My Stars Fundamental Kit from Fundamental Sticker Sheet from Bella Boulevard. That's where those hearts and the geotag are from. And that geotag is gray. So as well as the Go For It sticker is also from that Oh My Stars Fundamentals Kit. Or sticker sheet. I keep wanting to say kit. Okay, then I'm thinking about adding that little label sticker there. That was from Vicky Booten, but it was a little bit formal, considering this is very, very masculine. So I'll kind of try to figure this out and see if I can find anything. These are pieces from it's Illustrated Faith pieces, and I knew I had some black and white pieces, but I just didn't find what I was looking for on that sheet. I also forgot to tell you that sweet piece there by the tag on the right is also from that Bella Boulevard Oh My Stars Fundamentals sticker sheet. And then from that same sticker sheet, I'm going to use this alphabet, which is just the big sticker for alphabet. They came with them that way. That was one of the ways they did those sticker sheets, or they used to. And I'm going to add the title here. Now I wanted to say handy. Obviously it does not right now. That's what happens when you spell backwards sometimes, right? And just getting this straight. That's when I realized that I didn't spell it right when I was spelling backwards. So I'll get those on there. And I like them because that paper is so dark black that white title pops off of it. And the stickers look a little bit masculine with all the kind of cross hatches on them. So I love how their grandpa, this is my daughter-in-law's dad, how he really takes the kids and tries to teach them. It's so awesome. I mean, the two oldest boys can cook their own breakfast. Seriously, they make eggs and stuff like that. And they're 7 and 4. So he's teaching them to be independent gentlemen. All right, so I'm going to add these acrylic stars, and those are from Ellie's Studio. Just a mix of, they come in kits or Christmas kits and that kind of stuff, and I just added them into one bag, so I don't know exactly what collection they're from, but they're Ellie Studios. And then I'm going to add these enamel dots, and they are from My Mind's Eye Yes Please Enamel Shapes. We'll get those on. And then I was 1 star short, so one enamel dot short, and I didn't want to just leave it like that. I wanted to find another black enamel dot. So I found these enamel dots, black enamel dots from Freckled Fawn, and I'm just going to use one of these so that I have one by two by each of the clusters. And I'm using my big enamel dots here, yay, without tucking them under. All right, guys, there's the still shot and the detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.